Talk about weekend headaches. Many people have a busy week and they're looking forward to having a few days to relax and rest. And instead, they wake up with a headache and the whole weekend is ruined because they stay in bed. So, there are three possible reasons for weekend headaches. One is what we call a letdown headache. You work all week long and you're very busy and you cannot afford to have a headache, and that shows you that you have a certain degree of control of your headaches. The weekend comes, you relax, and all the stress comes out in the form of a headache for some people. The second reason is lack of caffeine. That is, normally you wake up at 6 or 7 in the morning, have a cup of coffee, and another cup later on. But on the weekends, you may wake up at 8, 9, and your body goes into withdrawal from caffeine. Caffeine withdrawal can occur from as little as 2 or 3 cups of coffee consumed throughout the day. So the thing to do is obviously not to wake up early and have a cup of coffee, but instead reduce your caffeine consumption. In extreme cases, I've seen people drinking coffee to such a great extent that they wake up in the middle of the night from caffeine withdrawal. And one person told me they have to set an alarm to have a cup of coffee, otherwise they wake up in the morning with a headache. So that's really crazy. Ideally, you should reduce your caffeine consumption and you'll feel better, you'll have more energy, and you'll have fewer headaches. Now, the third reason for weekend headaches is too much sleep. Most people have the opposite problem. Most people don't get enough sleep, and that's a big trigger for people's headaches, including migraines. On the other hand, there are some people who sleep too much, and that's the biggest trigger for their headaches. So getting to bed on time and waking up at the same time is the best strategy for those patients. If headache is something that bothers you on a regular basis, you may want to consider regular exercise as a preventive measure, especially for stress-induced headaches, letdown headaches on the weekend. And exercising not just on weekends, but also throughout the week is one of the better ways to prevent headaches. Also, Migralex, a drug that I developed for occasional tension-type headaches, stress-related headaches, is a very, very useful tool as well.